Today, we're diving into a fierce Middle European winter battle between two heavyweight contenders in the winter tire segment, the Continental WinterContact TS 870 and the Michelin Alpin 6. Both tires are designed to tackle the unique challenges of winter driving, but which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with snow performance, as winter conditions in Middle Europe often involve snow around 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. Snow grip is crucial. The WinterContact TS 870 excels here, stopping in just 28 meters during snowbreaking, while the Alpin 6 takes slightly longer at 29.4 meters. In snow traction, the Alpin 6 performs better, with a 6.1 second time over the measured distance, compared to the WinterContact TS 870's 6.2 seconds. However, in snow handling, the WinterContact TS 870 completes the course in 45.5 seconds, edging out the Alpin 6's 45.9 seconds. Overall, the WinterContact TS 870 is the best snow-performing tire. Moving on to wet performance, another critical area for winter tires, the WinterContact TS 870 continues its dominance, stopping in 35 meters during wet braking, compared to the Alpin 6's 35.7 meters. Wet handling tests show the WinterContact TS 870 completing the course in 53.8 seconds, just ahead of the Alpin 6's 54 seconds. The most significant difference is seen in aquaplaning resistance, where the WinterContact TS 870 maintains grip at a speed of 82 km per hour, while the Alpin 6 starts to lose grip at 78 km per hour. But the Alpin 6 isn't going down without a fight. When it comes to dry braking, it outshines the WinterContact TS 870, stopping in just 34 meters, while the WinterContact TS 870 takes 35.1 meters. However, in dry handling, the WinterContact TS 870 once again comes out on top, completing the course in 60.3 seconds compared to the Alpin 6 lap time 60.9 seconds. Let's talk about longevity. In terms of wear, the WinterContact TS 870 is expected to last for 45,400 kilometers, significantly more than the Alpin 6 mileage of 40,100 kilometers. Michelin is usually known for durability, but in this case, Continental takes the crown. When it comes to rolling resistance, the WinterContact TS 870 proves to be more efficient, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 9.8 compared to the Alpin 6 coefficient value 10.7. Finally, we look at noise levels. The WinterContact TS 870 records an external noise level of 69.2 decibels, while the Alpin 6 is slightly louder at 69.6 decibels, ensuring a quieter ride with the WinterContact TS 870. In summary, the Michelin Alpin 6 excels in dry braking, while the Continental WinterContact TS 870 outperforms in almost every other category in snow, wet, wear, and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.